Hello, everybody, and welcome to this part 66 of the Arduboy dev stream. Today we will do a little bit of level design. Okay, so level design in the video game development is quite different from game design and even from programming. Because game design, usually game designer are designing the system, the mechanics that the game will use, the control of the character, everything, and we have done that since the 65 preview video we have done. It was mainly game design and programming. But today we'll do level design. So level design is another kind of skills in the video game development, which is basically using the element and the item that the item we have created and the item that the game designer and the mechanics like the game designer have created, using them and combine them to create what we call usually a level. So to really create the puzzle. So it's assembling the different elements to create the puzzle. As I mentioned before, I think I'm not a very good level designer. This is really, there is real skills behind that. So you can have great item, great mechanics, but if the level design is not good, then the game may not be good too. But anyway, this game regardless really need it, so we'll try to do it. If you remember, our plan was to here in our to-do list we wanted to do a kind of tutorial for the first level at least of the game. And the idea is to teach little by little teach the player what the character can do, what he can do in the game, by offering him some very small little puzzle. And then when he learns the capacity of his main character, then he knows, oh, okay, the characters can do that. For example, the character can jump, or okay, the character can crawl. And then when you have teach that to the player, then you can challenge the player with more complex puzzle elements. So a good game normally should follow this kind of path from introducing the game element little by little. And because it's a game, so people just want to play it. They don't want to read a manual and know, oh, you can do this, you can do that. No, it's a game, so the game has to teach these elements to the player. And obviously, first we want to tell him that he can walk. Well, that's easy, but that's the main reason why we created the boulder. Then maybe we can teach him to jump later, how to fire, how to use the dynamite, how to crawl. I'm not sure if we will use this in the same order. So anyway, okay, so to do that, I will first use a sketch. I will draw a sketch inside Paint. So let me. If I do that, I created a new scene in OBS because I don't see. Okay, never mind. I don't see OBS anymore. Oh, okay, I can do this. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, I will do this for now. All right, so my idea. Okay, so I can use that for the screen. No, sorry, it's not what I want to use. It's this, I guess. Yeah. So we have the start screen, okay, which in our game, if you remember, that's the menu. This is the first screen, and then so we can start maybe below or on the side. I'm not sure. Let's see. Okay, so my idea is to have the boulder chasing the player, so that he knows how to run, right? So, but if we do it just on the side of the screen, maybe it's not long enough. The player will not feel the stress. So I think we can do maybe two. So for example, we can have something like this and something like this. Okay, and then the boulder can start here. Okay, and then we can do this. Okay, and then I want the player to escape, so the boulder, well, that's what we want, will chasing you here, and then I want the player to maybe escape here and protect himself. So after chasing, maybe jump here but protect here, and the boulder jump over it. Yeah, and then in the end the boulder will finish his course here. So after that the player can jump on it. So we can place the exit around here, and the boulder will stop here. All right, so yeah, so the player should start here. So that's Ulrich dangerous here, and yeah, then it goes here, protect, then jump on the boulder. All right, so that's the first level I think I want to do. Then I think I want to teach crawling, because crawling is another kind of walking. So let's see. I think I will just maybe. So after the player arrive here, we can just make this so that the player knows, okay, I need to crawl here, right? And then after that, I think we can teach him jumping. So to jump, we can make a hole here. Okay, he already learned to jump on the boulder, hopefully. But yeah, we can teach him the spike or the stalagmite, maybe stalagmite here. So if you walk on it, so that's the stalagmite. If you walk on it, he will die. So he will learn to jump. And after the jump, I think we can just go down here and exit the level here. But maybe since he learned to jump, we can try to jump more to maybe catch a little statuette. So we can also teach him that this is a bonus. All right, so yeah, we'll jump here. All right, so now we have let me write. This is walk. This is crawl plus jump plus bonus on it. Okay, and I'm using a pen just in case you wonder. I'm not writing with the mouse. All right, so then the next level could be so next level I think we can teach him to fire, to use the gun. For that, then I think he should just use the gun to kill one enemy. So I think a bit before the stream how to do that, and I kind of imagine something like that. Sorry. So after the jump, maybe it can land on a platform like this. And so actually I also wanted to teach him the I don't want him to jump over the enemy, or so also wanting to teach him the spike, because here we teach the stalagmite. So let's do something like this. Okay, so here I will place a platform. Okay, and with a ladder, I think. And I think here we can have another kind of oh, wait a minute, because I want to place an enemy here that he should kill with the gun when he's here. But this will be a skeleton, which means it will follow. Do you see my mouse? I'm not sure. I don't see the mouse. Yeah, here you see it. If I move, okay, if I move it with my pen, you don't see it. You only see it if I move it with the mouse. Okay, so I'm saying here, I want a skeleton. So if it goes below, down, and there, here, the skeleton will move here, so it cannot climb. It will die. So that's the goal, is to kill him while you are here. You kill him with the gun, and then you go down. Okay, so I would like also to put some spike here and probably here. So that means if it just fall, it will probably be killed on the spike. So you teach the player, be careful when you jump. You have to jump but go here, and it can probably also cannot jump over here. However, I'm not sure about this Skype, because the skeleton will die on the spike here. So, or we have to block the. Yeah, we have to block the skeleton also, probably like this, so that it doesn't go too far. I think if we remove the platform here, the skeleton would just fall down and then go here. So we really need to block him here. Okay, and this is the top of the cave. All right, so something like that. So you arrive here, you have to shoot first, kill then jump, avoid the spike. Let me do it with this. So you arrive here, you shoot the skeleton, then jump, avoid the spike, go down, go up, and escape. All right, and then next level could be teaching dynamite. So after teaching the shotgun, the gun, we can teach the dynamite. All right, so to do that, I think we will just use the destroyable block here. Okay, so obviously when the player arrives here, he knows that he's totally blocked, and then probably need to use dynamite. Maybe to inside the player to use dynamite, we can even place a dynamite crate here. Okay, so he knows that he should use dynamite. Just a second, please. That could be done also here. I'm not sure. Maybe we also need to place a kind of a bullet crate here. I'm not sure. Well, we'll see later. And okay, so after that, I also want to teach the player that he can use dynamite to destroy the stalagmite. So, for example, if we place, oops, nope, let's redo it. Okay, so if we place some kind of stalagmite here, also blocking the path, it cannot jump. It will not be able to jump, but then he will try to use dynamite, because he used the dynamite to explode the destroyable block. So maybe you think, oh, maybe it's working the same for this, and then you teach the player that yes, the stalagmite can be destroyed with dynamite. So going up, and then I guess we will fall down again like this. I want to add another statuette somewhere, but not sure where. It depends if we have some space. And I want to put some spike next to the... I'm not sure we have enough space to place it. Maybe it was platform. Okay, I draw it, but we will see if we have space. We can have another statuette here, and just a minute, please, Taisha. Where's this? Sorry about this. So, and then I was saying maybe adding some spike here. So he has to jump, but not too far. All right. Oh, let me move this here. Okay, that you can see. So yeah, I was adding some spike here. All right. Well, let's stop for now. Okay, this is already a 4 level, and we'll see how it goes. So dynamite here, and this we have gun, and skeleton. Yeah, he knows the skeleton and also knows the spike. All right, okay. Yeah, so I will save this file somewhere. I don't know, or just for me, I will probably not put it in the in the repository, but just for me, level design reference. Oh, yeah, okay. So, all right. Please let me rearrange my. Okay. Yeah. So one more thing I wanted to say is that if you look at here about the boulder, actually it cannot chase us right now because when it will touch the wall here, it will stop. So it will stop here. So basically, I think I want to change the behavior to if the boulder hit the wall while it's falling, then it just bounce on the wall and continue to fall. So it's just maybe a very simple function to write to inverse the initial speed of the falling when you detect collision while falling. And then it stops if it roll and hit the wall. But let's fix this bug or implement this feature, I would say, a bit later. We can just focus on the level right now. And yeah, and to do that, that means we also need to add oops, sorry, this should be here. Okay, so let's add the boulder inside yeah, inside inside the editor. Sorry, I'm a bit late to this because I'm reorganizing my OBS view. All right, so if I just let's launch the editor. Just okay, yeah, you see the editor. Okay. All right. I guess if I load it, maybe. Okay, yeah, I can still open it. Okay. That's our level right now, as you know it. Yeah, and basically I just want to add here a new item here, which will be the boulder. Or should we add it at the end? We can add it at the end. Maybe we can start just designing. I'm so excited to implement my design. Yeah, okay. So let's just do it. So the first level is the menu, and yeah, let's clear all this. There's no function to clear several by just moving the mouse like that. I have to click, but this is something we can add on the editor, of course. All right, and we can delete it. All right, I delete the. We need to add, by the way, how to scroll. Can I scroll? I forgot how to scroll. Ah, it's like this. Let's let's add it in the last level. Okay, so let's try. Okay, I need to remove all this. All the spikes. It's telling me that I already have a grail, but no, I deleted it. That's a bug. Okay, let's remove this. And okay, this is our starting player, which will be around here, I guess. Let's clear the level item. All right. So I think for the beginning, I will just use probably the cave icon. So maybe this. No, let's remove this. And so that's the stairs. Okay. And okay, that's the big. Okay. Yep. Okay. Remove some. Okay. All right, and then we also have this here. So, oh, nope. Here. There's something I forgot for the last level. Yeah. Let's remove the arrow launcher also. Yeah, so we need this one, I guess. Yeah, that should be this one here. And not to, no, I need to, yeah, just in the end. And here, so yeah, I'm not sure we'll have enough space for all that, but we'll try. Can we do a half turn like this? I'm not sure. Let's remove this. Okay. So maybe so this one will be the end. All right, so if we have this player here, this one here, yeah. Oh, this one is a free space, I think, right? I forgot. Yeah. I think it should be so this one is empty, and this one is available sprite that we didn't use, so that's good. I think I want to make a very thin ceiling, but for now we'll use this one. Okay. and which means, yeah, that's fine. Which means this is the correct height for this one, and but can I jump on the boulder, or do I need to jump on the boulder? Okay, let's continue this one. I need this one. All right, so to make a half a turn, this has to be one lower. One lower here. One lower, or maybe not. This is okay. No, yes, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. This is the 8 I want. But actually, this one is, yeah, maybe too high. So let me zoom. So if this one is 12, 8, probably, can I use this one? Yeah, I can. So let me count. So we have 1, 2, and that's a 3. Okay. Yeah, I think that's okay. So this one has to be higher. I'm sorry, just to protect the player. And this one can be like this. All right, so I think that's fine like this. So let's continue. Okay. So then the boulder has to stop here. And then we can exit here. Yeah, that's the correct height. But this one is too high, I think. Yeah. This one is too high. So let's put back this one. But maybe here we need this to exit. And then we can probably place something like this. Okay. And can we remove this one? Yeah, I think it's better like this. Okay, should we put this one here? Maybe. All right. Okay. So yeah, I think that should be the first level. Here I don't really like it, so maybe we can add some more like this. Well, it depends when we modify the behavior of the boulder when it hit the wall, or maybe I just increase this one here, remove this. Okay, not sure about this one. Okay, and then so run, go here, and then the boulder goes here and stop here, and then jump. All right, we can save it. The editor didn't find any exit in the screen. The map cannot be exported. Let's remove this. Let's clear a little bit. Let's try to save it. Located 240. So what did I forgot? Oh, by the way, I think we need some here. In the screen located 240. So 240, it's here. Yes, there is no exit here. So let's put an exit here. Okay. Dead ending. The editor didn't find any exit in the screen located 240, 240 and 0. Here. This screen. So I forgot how to. Does it has to create this screen? Yeah, I forgot the constraint. Sorry. So let's put some bricks like this. Oh. Then I'm a bit confused. Let's put back this. I think it didn't export the map. Did it? I'm checking if the map has been exported. Screen 2. There is stalagmite in screen 2. No. 240. So the screen. Let me count. 240 divided by 8, 30. One, two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 16. $32. We probably have a bug into the editor. Let's trace the bug. So when we export, when we are exporting the map, so where is my Explorer? Nope, not this. Checking the code. And following this, right. Let's check the error message. Let's find it. Let me check what is the error message. Can I copy this? Yeah. Okay, so that's a resource. Which resource is that? Dead end detected. Okay, this one. I think I close it. Current screen X, end screen X, current screen Y, end screen Y. So it's a long time I wrote the level design, the editor. So let's start from here, and let's save it. Save. Okay, so current screen is 0, 0. So how to find the exit? So I'm checking all the side, if I remember. Oh, okay. Okay. He's checking horizontally, and I guess he will not find it. Okay. So what about What about putting some wall here to block it? Save. Oh, there is no scroll. I'm not sure if it saved correctly. Let's put a breakpoint here. Yeah. Same problem, okay. Let's try again to pass it. Well, I didn't expect to find a bug in the editor just by editing some level. So current screen 0, previous screen 08. End screen 8. 16:8. Why my end screen is 16:8? I'm a bit confused. Get starter hand puzzle screen coordinate. This one is probably the one making trouble. So I'm searching for Rick and Growl, but the Growl is it's maybe a link to the fact that I deleted the Grail and just redo it. So start true. So can I find Rick? Yeah, I can find Rick, which is good. And 0 and should be 1, 8. Okay, 0, 8. And then I want to find the Grail. This is false. Okay. Can I find the Grail? Yes, I can find the Grail. It's 16 and 8, which is totally correct. So this is correct. Current screen 08 and 08, which is normal. We start under. So does it find the exit here? It's probably a problem. It cannot find the exit. Yes, you can find the exit here. Okay, so then that's fine. Then next screen. Oh, he found the exit. he found the exit on the top. Okay. That is not the exit I want you to find. And then, yeah, I cannot find the exit to... Okay, so let's block this exit here. And now let's save it. And I hope this time is okay. I lost. Let's try again. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the bug was he was finding he thought the exit for the first level was this one, and then from this one he could not find exit. Okay. So we should have saved our level. Let's try to test it. And doesn't compile. Map data const variable h. Okay, yeah, I know. So I'm saving with maybe you can see it here in UTF-BOM, but since then I updated Arduino, and it doesn't support this. So let's change the encoding to UTF-8. So now it's just UTF-8, and I think we are exporting also the map manager, map data, the const variable, this one I think. Yeah, this one is UTF-BOM also. So let's change the encoding. Let's save it. Yep. And then try to compile again. And then we can change our editor to save it in UTF, not UTF-BOM. All right, so yeah, let's test it. I'm sorry, just a minute, please. Okay. All right. And then I cannot jump here, it's too high, but with the boulder I will be able to jump. Okay, that just looks good for me. So first we will fix the bug of the UTF, otherwise we cannot easily debug it. So switching to here. So where do I save the file? The streamer right here, I think. So do we have different encoding? Huh. There's no different UTF like with BOM or without BOM. Ah, come on. What is UTF-7, by the way? I need to search on internet. So UTF-7, 7-bit Unicode transformation from a absolute variable length character encoding for representing Unicode as stream ASCII. It's a special variable universal transformation. Well, I don't know. So let's search like system encoding UTF-8. No BOM. Without BOM, Stack Overflow is your friend. Encoding UTF-7. New UTF true. True means that the BOM should be emitted using okay. Why I try BOM because you are instructing okay, so let's try this. Let's try this in our code. Cannot convert from bool to text. Text encoding. Yeah. Do you need a oops, sorry. Let's using system encoding. This one you don't know. It's in system text. Okay, how about this? We need to save it also for the variable. All right, let's try it. Let's open it and still not very easy to Can I mirror it? No, I cannot mirror the rig. Never mind. Okay, and let's try to save it. Save, and then let's see. We reload the file, and okay, it's correctly encoding. Okay, map data. Yep. Okay, it's still UTF without boom. Okay. So that's a bug fixed, and it's 1 hour of recording. So yeah, maybe we can just continue our level design, and then yeah, let's continue it. I think that's quite fun. All right, so I will clear this, by the way. That was not the issue. Okay, so after that, if you remember our level design, so let me show you again. After that, we want to create this with stalagmite bonus here and crawling passage here. Okay, so let's do that. So now I think we need more space here. Actually, just one should be enough, I think. Well, it depends the space that we have, so. Okay, and yeah. Let's clear this. Okay, and let's put the roof. Okay. So yeah, stalagmite, but we want it to jump also. But here we need to, yeah, at least leave 2 for the bonus. So this one like this, and might have a hole over here, I think. Or maybe just a small hole. So maybe we can maybe we can. So do we need 1 or 2? Maybe we need 2. Would be better with 2. This I cannot jump over there, so I need to be like this. Here I think I can jump. Here and here. Or maybe just this is okay. All right, and then that should be okay like this. Okay. So we need a statuette. Where is the statuette? Here. We need to place it here. We need a statuette here. Here I can go down, I guess. And here I have to jump. And here I need to crawl. Yeah, I think it's okay like this. I'm not sure if I want to use some brick like this. Maybe. Okay. Then the next, let's try to save. Okay. And then the next level will be, so let me show you again. So the next level will be something like this. So okay, I drew all the border for now. Oh, I think I want this one here. The exit is also on the top. Okay. So we have a landing platform here. I think that's probably too low. Well, it depends actually if I use this one here. Okay. And this one, okay, that's our landing platform. And so I need also, yeah, we can probably do two. So you know how to crawl, so we can add some crawling here. And This is where I want to add the spike, so we will put some spike. Oh, no. That's arrow launcher. I want a spike mirror. Two should be enough. I want horizontal spike here. Let's put 3 for a good measure. All right, and maybe this one a bit lower to give him more reaction time. And then so I'm wondering if I'm too high here, maybe. But who knows? Okay. So how to block? I forgot if the skeleton can walk on the stairs like this or not. And where if I shoot, I guess I shoot here. Yeah, so I cannot have that. So I'm not sure if the design is possible actually. I forgot if the skeleton jump. I think the skeleton jump while the other enemy does not do that. But let's try. I just forgot. So I want a skeleton here. Here, for example. Yeah, that's a bit too high for this. I know, maybe this can block it. Maybe this can block him. No, actually, I want this here. Okay. All right. I feel I could have a statuette here. So basically what I draw here with the spike, maybe we can move it here because it seems we have space, but here I'm not sure I will have space. So let's put it here with more spike. Just one should be enough, I think. Maybe two. And statuette. Okay, let's add one more space here. And the statuette as be generous. not so generous. Okay. Can move that here for now. Okay, let's try this this level. We save it. Cannot find exit. Cannot find exit. Let me move the at 16.8. Oh, 16.8 is this one. The exit is here. Come on. You cannot find exit here? Should be able to find exit here. Let's enlarge the exit. Yeah, that's okay. I forgot I need 2 to jump. I thought 1 would be enough. All right, let's try it. Oh, I cannot jump. I don't have my boulder yet. Let's cheat for now. Okay, and restart again. Okay, so now I need to crawl. There's one stalagmite disappear, which I don't understand. Okay, and I think also we should place some checkpoint. We should have checkpoint on here, I think, on the second screen. Ah! Forgot to jump. No! Yeah, because I placed some kind of... Oh. Oh, they are not real. Ah, yes, they are. Because I temporarily placed some platforms so I can jump over both, but we will use another sprite for a ceiling, for a thin ceiling. Oh, okay. That's a bit tricky. Maybe we should remove this because it seems a bit tricky to jump. No, I cannot jump. Okay, let's remove it. Let's remove that. And I think I will place a checkpoint. I think this one here. And yeah, no, that should be this one. Let's save it. And let's restart it. Okay, that's better. Okay, I got one. Okay, it didn't move. It should move. Yeah. Okay, my checkpoint is working. Why? The start rate should not have been, or maybe it should. I forgot. Can I fire? Yeah, fire is working. Oh, that's that seems difficult. That seems challenging. We need to place the vertical spike, horizontal spike a bit lower to have time to change the jump orientation. Okay, and also I think I can also place another checkpoint here. I think I cannot mirror the checkpoint. Yeah, cannot mirror checkpoint. Alright, so let's move the spike a bit lower. Maybe just one is enough. I don't know. I like two. Save. Let's try again. Ah! Ah! Yeah, so I think cannot be, the jump cannot be bigger than that, I think. Let's try. Oh! I walk on the spike. I wanted to test. Yeah. Okay, yeah, now I can avoid it. That's quite scary. I don't know why the skeleton doesn't move. Should move. Why did you forget to move? Yep. Ah! I missed it. Ah. I can clearly walk on the spike. All right. So why we don't have the stalagmite in the second level? These two. That seems correctly placed. I don't know. Maybe. Let's try again to check where they are. Yeah, one seems correctly placed, but not the second one. Let's check the code. We have stalagmite 1 and 2, and it should be in the screen number 2, 1 and 2, 193, 185. But they seems correctly placed, so it doesn't seem to be a bug of the editor, but more a bug of the engine. (85), 93. There's a difference of 7 pixels, 8 pixels, which seems correct to me. If I, yeah. Oh. It's two different instances of stalagmite. It's the same as the one in the menu. Yeah, I really don't understand. Why I only have one? Why I can only see one? Or maybe that's the one we see is the one on the left and not the one on the right. Let's try to do something like this. If I place it here, or let's see, let's say if I place them here. Oh, this one is mirror. Oh no, it's just a random drawing. No, it's the same drawing. Okay. Yeah, just save it here, and then we'll see where they appear. Maybe they appear in the wall, so no, just one. Really just one. Okay, never mind. So I think it's one hour and a half, so I think we'll stop here. Let's commit or change, and then I will okay, code just a second, please. Yep. So we'll commit here. So what did we change? Of course, the map data. All the map has changed. So new level design. level height has changed. Okay, and then we fix the UTF encoding. Fix the UTF-8 encoding for saving the map by the map editor. Yeah, okay, I also changed the sprite of the statuette. Just want to change some pixels, like adding 1 pixels here. All right, can commit this. All right, so thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the level editing, the level design here. That shows some various bugs. There's some stuff that we'll probably do outside of the stream because it's probably not very interesting, which is creating the missing sprites for in the list of sprite, which I mean this sprite here, this one. And then maybe I will fix the bug of the spike of the stalagmite. Sorry, why we only see one? That's very strange. Yeah, and then I think next sprint, next stream video, we can add the boulder inside the editor just to finalize the first level, and maybe do the last level also. All right, so thank you, bye bye, see you in the next video.